Hello again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the else condition. Usually, the else condition comes with the if condition. For example, if you say if something about something, and then you put else, it does something else. So what this condition does is saying that if the other one does not work, then you're going to do this function. So for example, we're going to put int, let's see, float of x, float of else. No, let's call it something else. Float math, and you're going to say x float y. So we first need to think about what we're gonna do. So we're gonna subtract the biggest number from the smaller number. That's what we're gonna do. So if we're going to use the conditional if x is greater than y. No, we need to do another condition. If y is the same thing as x, then what we're going to do is return 0, because basically if you subtract the same number, it's going to be 0. So else, we're using the conditional else here, saying that else, oh, by the way, in the else you don't need anything like parentheses or this. You don't need any of that, because it's saying that basically it's saying that if this does not work, then it's going to go here. So in else, we're gonna put a nesting loop. If x is greater than y, return x minus y. Else return y minus x. So basically this is our function. If x is the same as y, then we're going to return 0. Else, if this is not true, then what we're going to do is put a condition that if x is greater than 0, we're going to subtract x by y. Else, we're going to subtract y by x. So we're going to save it. I saved it as else.cpp, and I'm going to compile my program. But for doing that, I need to find my directory. So I know that my directory is in cd, C drive, C users, Q1, Dropbox, Compo1, Masteries. Wow. So we're going to see if this compiles. There's an error. So it says float error else sin un if previo. So it says line 12 here, else sin un if previo. Oh, sorry, I forgot. I don't know why I put semicolon there. I really don't know why I did that, but this is what it should look like. Yeah, this closes this closes that. So yeah, let's see if it compiles. Oh no, there's a bigger error saying that this closes this closes this closes this. Float, a function definition not allowed here before int. Sorry, wait, I'm going to pause the video. Hi again. I don't know, or I can't see my problem. So what I'm going to do is erase my returns, and instead of that, return int or float x c. I'm going to return saying that c is equal to x minus y. I think that the problem might be something else. Returning c, else return c, and say that c is equal to y minus x. So let's see if this compiles. Still says that there's an error here. I don't know what it could be. No, it says there's an error at the end of the input. There's an error here. I don't know why. It might be invisible. I might have written something wrong. Sometimes happens that my program doesn't work all of a sudden, and I don't know why it happens, but then all of a sudden it does work. I don't know why. That is not supposed to be the problem. I seriously don't know what the problem is. This should work. This should work. I don't know why it doesn't work. It says a function definition not allowed here before a function definition. Before a token. Let's change these to ints. I don't know what the problem is, but we're just subtracting numbers. So I'm going to change these to ints. Again, this shouldn't be the problem, but I don't know why it's acting like this. Wow. Oh, I don't know. This should work. I don't know what doesn't let me. I think it might. No, I don't know. Nope, I really don't know. Oh, my int function is inside. Oh. I get this. No, this is not supposed to happen. Okay, I got this. So let's change this like that. Oh no. So that's what happened. What happened is that my int main was inside this other function. I don't know why, but I guess this is the only way I can do it. So I guess I need to compile it this way. No, it doesn't let me again. This time I really don't know why. If I'm closing everything. Line 23. I'm supposed to close the biggest one. This is not closed. I don't know why. this is not closed. This is closing the oh, I see. Okay. Perfect. This should compile. Oh, it does. So sorry for all that. I really didn't know what happened. So I'm going to int x, int y. I'm going to finish this fast. So cout, give me a number. Y. Now int answer is equal to math. So x, y, and we're gonna say your answer is, well, now I'll subtract the bigger number with the small one, and the answer is so this is basically it. I just wanted to show you how an else work. So again, I'm going to compile this. Oh, sorry, I'm going to compile it. Y int answer math x comma y. Si la función int no se aclara en este ámbito. Oh, fritas. There you go. I think it has to be the top. I don't know why. I guess I have to ask them later. Number 10, even no 5. I'll subtract the biggest number. I'm going to choose another one. I'm going to choose 6 and 5 to give me 1, so I know how the problem works. So this is how you use the else condition. It is usually next or after an if condition. I hope this helped you, and please don't make the same mistakes I did. Thank you.